Hi and welcome to this new video where I'm going to play an arrangement of Here Comes Santa Claus. So this is the cello part. I've also arranged the violin and second violin parts as well. This is one of the pieces that I play at my school's Stringtastic concerts, and we're going to be doing this one this Christmas. So there are two cello parts. There's going to be a melody and then there's going to be an accompaniment, a bass line. So I'm going to take you over the bass line first of all. So it's really easy peasy. It uses first finger notes, first finger A on the G string, first finger E on the D string, open string A and open string D. So that means there are only 4 notes. So it's really easy peasy. This piece is in 4/4, so there are 4 crotchets in the bar. So we're going to play on the first and third beats and then rest on the second and fourth beat. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one little idea would be perhaps in the third verse to play pizzicato, but for the second and fourth verses to play with arco, like that. The backing track that I use for this song is courtesy of my wonderful father-in-law, David Allison. So he's put 5 verses into it. So for the second cello part, or the bass line part, what we're doing in our concerts is we're singing in verse 1 and verse 5, but we're playing in the second, third and fourth verses. So now it's time for a little bit of Christmas atmosphere. So remember, in the first and fifth verses we are going to sing, and after the 5th verse there's a little outro. So just watch out for that because it's a little bit different to the verse. So here we go. So please sing along at home. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Okay, here we go. Listen to this little bass run. And this is verse 2. Pizzicato. You can put a little bit of slapping in between on the second and fourth beats. Without the slapping it sounds like this. But I quite like the slapping. I think it sounds really cool and it's great fun. All my students really like doing that. Back to the slapping. With the bow this time, so this is really loud. Lots of bow, get a little bite at the start of the note, then follow through with lots of bow. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Blitzen and Blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Santa Claus comes tonight. Santa Claus comes tonight. Little outro, courtesy of David, my father-in-law. Yeah, man. Merry Christmas! Cheerio!